everybody, Ken Komet, condovoice.com. Thanks for joining me today. We're talking about risk on common areas, specifically trip and fall hazards. Today I wanted to show you a great example of what I'm talking about. This is a courtyard in a common area of a condominium association. We've got a couple of sidewalks that merge together here. What's happened is there's a big oak tree in the middle of this courtyard, and it's lifting up different areas of the sidewalk, creating a difference in elevation between where the two sidewalks meet, and now somebody could trip over this. Now I wanted to show you this one because somebody in the past tried to do something about this, but it was a weak attempt and it was incorrect. What they did was they just put a little, if you zoom in here, Nate, they just put a little, I don't know, they ground this down just a little bit just to take the edge off it, but this is still a trip and fall hazard. So what we're gonna do, all right, we're gonna take our spray can and we're gonna tell the contractor what to do. We're gonna tell him we want this to be ground down on a much more gradual basis so that there's not a difference in elevation. So we're gonna tell him to start here and grind all this down back to this point. So instead of a sharp change in elevation, we got a gradual change in elevation, which is gonna make it easier to walk on. So let me show you a couple other areas here. Nate, if you follow me, we've got another one right here. If you look down here, we just have a difference about a ½ an inch in this elevation. So we're just gonna grind that down so that there's a gradual change. Got another one over here. This is typical. We got a crack, and I guarantee you there's a big tree root under this, and it's lifting both sides of it. So it's created a difference in elevation. So we're just gonna have him grind down that surface. So trip and fall is a major deal in a condominium association. You've got to walk around every now and then because Mr. Oak Tree, Mother Nature, is working all the time to make your life a problem. Don't underestimate trip and fall. You know, everything's great until somebody falls and then they get hurt, and then, you know, there's the possible lawsuit. You also have insurance concerns regarding these trip and fall hazards. You will have a risk assessed person come around periodically for the insurance company, and they're gonna note these things out to you. Take care of them. All right, trip and fall. Take care of them in your condominium.